How to get rid of an ant infestation in your yard. Dealing with an ant infestation in your yard can be a frustrating experience. Ants are highly social insects that live in colonies, and when they invade your yard, they can disrupt the tranquility and enjoyment of your outdoor space. While there are chemical pesticides available on the market, many people prefer to use natural methods to control ant infestations due to concerns about the environment, human health, and the well-being of other beneficial insects. Natural solutions not only offer a safer alternative but also allow you to maintain a more eco-friendly approach to pest management. By utilizing natural methods, you can reduce the potential risks associated with chemical pesticides while promoting a healthier and more balanced ecosystem in your yard. Step 1 is identifying the type of ants you're dealing with. Different species may require different approaches, so it's essential to know what you're up against. Take a close look at their size, color, and behavior to help determine the best course of action. Once you've identified the type of ants in your yard, you can move on to step 2, which involves eliminating their food sources. Ants are attracted to food debris, particularly sugary and greasy items. Make sure to keep your yard clean by regularly sweeping up fallen food and crumbs. Avoid leaving pet food out for extended periods and store your garbage properly in sealed bins. Check for any leaks or spills that might be attracting ants. Now, let's move on to step 3, disrupting the ant trails. Ants leave behind a scent trail to guide their fellow colony members to food sources. By disrupting these trails, you can confuse and deter them. One effective method is to use vinegar or citrus-based cleaners to wipe down their paths. These strong-smelling substances interfere with the scent trails and make it harder for ants to find their way. Step 4 involves using natural ant repellents. There are several substances that ants dislike, and you can strategically place them around your yard to repel them. For example, ants are known to avoid cinnamon, cayenne pepper, coffee grounds, or even mint leaves. Sprinkle these repellents near ant entry points, such as cracks in the pavement or around the foundation of your house. Moving on to step 5, we have natural ant baits. These baits work by attracting ants with a tempting food source that is mixed with a substance they cannot digest. One popular bait mixture is a combination of borax and sugar water. Mix equal parts of borax and sugar water, and place small quantities of the mixture near ant trails or entry points. The ants will be attracted to the sweet bait, consume it, and take it back to their colony, where it will disrupt their digestive system and eventually eliminate the infestation. Step 6 is all about prevention. After you've successfully dealt with the ant infestation, it's crucial to take preventive measures to avoid future problems. Regularly inspect your yard for potential entry points and seal them off. Cracks in walls, gaps in windows and doors, and openings around utility pipes are common entry points for ants. Use caulk or weather stripping to seal these gaps and keep ants from finding their way in. Additionally, trim branches and vegetation that touch your house, as ants can use them as bridges to gain access. And there you have it. By following these natural solutions, you'll be well on your way to getting rid of those pesky ants in your yard. It's important to note that natural methods may take longer to show results and may require consistent application to achieve the desired effect. Additionally, some natural remedies may be more effective against specific ant species than others. Therefore, it's crucial to identify the ant species you're dealing with to tailor your approach accordingly. By implementing natural techniques to control ant infestations in your yard, you not only address the immediate problem but also contribute to the overall well-being of your yard and its ecosystem. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.